Yes, that is the view from my balcony. Isn't it amazing? I can't get my eyes over it. Now is the time if you want to go by these mules. आगे कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. मौसम इतनी खास नहीं है. It's very sweaty. Excitement में होके don't like dip your feet into this water. Always ask the rate before buying anything. गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम जोशीमठ. कल का जो मैंने बोला था टास्क है, एक्चुअली टास्क नहीं था, सिर्फ बैठना था फॉर 8 आवर्स. बट आई थॉट कि घाट्स है तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही मोशन सिकनेस हो जाएगा. बट इट वॉज प्रिटी गुड. टास्क तो आज शुरू होने वाली है. 10 किलोमीटर्स का 1 वे का ट्रैक टू घंगारिया. राइट नाउ आई एम इन जोशीमठ. सो कल जब हम लोग आए बहुत ज़्यादा थकान हुई, ट्रैवलिंग कंटिन्यूसली. दिल्ली से भी प्रॉपर नींद नहीं मिला. एंड देन दिल्ली टू ऋषिकेश एंड देन ऋषिकेश टू जोशीमठ. आज का 10 किलोमीटर्स का 1 वे का ट्रैक है टू घंगारिया, जो कि बेस रहने वाला है. And from there we will do other treks that will be tomorrow, day after. So yesterday जब पहुँचे तब briefing हुई थी on what to wear, what to carry with you, how many backpacks to take. We are not going to come back to Joshimath. Ghangaria is going to be the base for the next 3 days. कौन सा नींद मिला मस्त 7 to 8 hours, and right now I am fresh for the day, for the trek. Let's kill it. Stay tuned because I'm going to share my experience in detail with you all. Each and everything, each and every moment, how to reach there from Joshimath. So be with me. तो अभी हम निकलने वाले हैं. Since we are not going to come back to the hotel and the lunch is going to be provided to us by them, so we are going to get packed lunch to take. जो tiffin boxes में रहेगा, we'll carry that lunch and we'll eat it there. अभी मैं खड़ी हूँ गोविंद घाट पे. जोशीमठ टू गोविंद घाट it took us around half an hour to 40 minutes, and from here the locals only will take us to Pulna. We cannot take the vehicle which brought us here. So from here we are going to take, and it is 50 per person. So yes, let's go. खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े, दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे. ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ. मैं पहुंच गई हूँ पुलना. अभी पुलना टू घंगारिया इज अराउंड 10 to 11 kilometers. First 4 kilometers is ascent, so let's go. टेन किलोमीटर्स का ट्रैक है. yesterday he told us that you all can make it in 5 to 6 hours. So my target is to reach there at 5 o'clock. The time right now is 11. Already sweating. Already tired. Our group is only of 9 people. It's not a big group. We might all be together and reach on time as well. धूप बहुत ज़्यादा है, but as you can see the roads are काफ़ी good walking wise. Because the first trek which I had gone Kedarnath, the roads were very very bad. It was very difficult. And one more thing, shoes. You should wear that type of shoes which gives you a good grip. I'm telling you out of my own experience. Now is the time if you want to go by these mules. आगे कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. ऐसा बोलते हैं, बट वह जाके एट सम पॉइंट्स वी वर गेटिंग दीज म्यूल्स. There are 3 ways to reach on top. One is by walking, which I have taken that option. Second is through these kachars, and third is helipad. Now it is a trek, so you should go walking only. But if you can't, helipad is fine. क्यों आपको जानवर को तकलीफ देना? Why do you want to sit on them and like it's very cruel. आने जाने का रास्ता एक ही है. Can see people are going down, and we are going same like Kedarnath, same. Our group is quite small. I mean quite no, very small. We are a group of only 9 members. फिर भी they provided us with 2 guides. One in the start for the group and one in the end. Whoever can't match with the start. Isn't it cool? मौसम इतनी खास नहीं है. It's very sweaty. I hope as we go on climbing the altitude, the temperature becomes cool. डस्टबिन सब जगह है, so do not litter this place. Keep throwing it in the dustbin only. Whatever bottles or snacks you have carried. Guide for today.
Hello.
So how many kilometers did we cover?
It seems we have covered somewhere around 2 kilometers. Just 2 kilometers.
बस. और अभी क्या कर रहे हैं हम?
डिसेंड कर रहे हैं.
जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है इतना चढ़ने के बाद.
Thank you God, thank you.
I hope ये डिसेंड एंड तक रहे, जो कि I wish तक ही रहेगा. So yes, we made it for 2 kilometers till now. यार काफ़ी empty है. There is not much rush going up. It's very empty and it is so good. Like no people around you. It's just you and the mountains. Steep ascent. The flowing river, the mountains, the waterfall there. Three kilometers are done. 1/3 of the trek is complete. 30% is done. Next stop will be for lunch. The lunch, that is a packed food what we carried. अब क्या सब चलते रहना है और व्यूज़ देखते रहना है. सिंपल आज का टास्क. और हमारे ट्रैक गाइड थक चुके हैं
बहुत.
मोस्टली वही चीज़ें देख के इंसान बोर होता है. बट नेचर इज सच दैट यू विल नेवर गेट बोर्ड लुकिंग एट दिस ग्रीनरी. जितना भी देखो कम लगेगा. अब ये जो स्ट्रीम दिख रही है, एक्साइटमेंट में होके डोंट like dip your feet into this water because it is ice cold and you have to still complete the whole trek. So प्लीज़ अपना पैर मत डुबाए पानी में, क्योंकि गिल्ला शूज़ पहन के ऊपर जाना इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. So finally we found a shop here. Always ask the rate before buying anything. Once you open the bottle and you start drinking and then you ask what is the rate, they will say like 100, 150. So better be careful. नींबू पानी पी के काफ़ी एनर्जी आ गई है. And the climate is like I'm feeling very nice. The climate is pretty become chilled and cool, you can say, which is making it easier now after the hot heat. So this is the packed lunch और हम रुके हैं लंच करने के लिए. It's 2:15. क्या मिला है? पराठा एंड आलू की सब्जी एंड चना.
चाय बोल रहे ना?
वेरी हंग्री. लंच हो चुका है एंड 5 kilometers are almost done. More 5 kilometers to climb and it is going to be a steep ascent now. So let's keep moving.
दरख्वास्त है ये जो आई रात है ये, तू मेरी बाहों में दुनिया भुला दे, जो अब लम्हात है ये बड़े ही खास है ये, तू मेरी बाहों में दुनिया.
ये ब्रिज क्रॉस करने के बाद 4 kilometers का ascent है, like steep ascent. इतनी खुशी, it's blowing like anything and it's become so much easier. As you saw, the helicopter feels like we are about to reach. Since the helicopter landed there, that means the helipad is going to be here only somewhere. So I think I've reached almost. जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि केदारनाथ was my first Himalayan trek और ये दूसरा. तो केदारनाथ का मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं था कि इतना डिफ़िकल्ट होने वाला था. But फिर भी I climbed and I reached. And same here. Like पता रहता है कि कितना डिफ़िकल्ट होने वाला है, फिर भी यू आर लाइक लिटरली टॉर्चरिंग योरसेल्फ बाय वॉकिंग. बट व्हेन यू रीच ऑन टॉप, दैट हैप्पीनेस, वो खुशी, इट्स अनबिलीवेबल एंड इट इज़ ऑसम. यस, आई हैव रीच्ड गंगारिया. सीम्स लाइक it. Finally reached Ghangaria and it took me about 6 hours. I'm satisfied because I didn't go beyond 6 hours, because this trek any person can do. Like, it's a beginner's trek. A person who has not done before आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे and do it. Being a trekker, I completed it in 6 hours is a good thing. पहुंचने के बाद ये है नज़ारे। मैं तो जन्नत आ गई। इसको देखने अगर 6-7 घंटे भी चलना पड़े तो हमें कबूल है। Basic hotel. After reaching the hotel, we have got hot soup. That is the only thing that is needed at this point. Not soup. वीडियो के एंड तक रुकने के लिए थैंक यू। इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू माई चैनल, डू सब्सक्राइब। Until then, keep traveling with me, Cleandra.